Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. Today I have a yard machine right here. This is a yard machine. This is a 30-inch cut. This machine right here is almost the exact same machine as your Troy-Bilt. Your little Troy-Bilt rear engine rider. A lot of Cub cadets use this exact same frame right here. If you own this machine right here, I'm going to give you guys a tip that's going to save you guys a lot of money, a whole bunch of money. I see a lot of these machines in the shop. I get a lot of phone calls. When I say a lot of phone calls, I get probably at least 25 to 30 phone calls every single month on this exact same style machine. The problem is very, very simple. It's a very, very easy fix. A lot of customers don't understand and know about this issue and this problem right here. A lot of customers